how to use blend on Instagram. Hey everybody, in order to do so, you may follow up these methods. So open up your Instagram application and then basically log in into your account. And then once you are logged in, you should be finding the home interface like this. So all you gotta do in order to use blend is the new feature of Instagram. Tap on the chat icon at the top right. And after tapping on that, you may head over to user that you would like to blend with. So go ahead and select the user. And then once you have selected the user, you need to basically, if you have not updated your app, update your app to the latest version first. And then once you've selected the chat, at the very top right, you should be finding a blend icon, the new right beside the call options. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you've tapped on it, you need to go ahead and invite that person in order to basically blend with each other on Instagram. So you may read this description right here and tap on invite. And once you've invited that person, you need to wait for that person to accept your invitation. And once they accept your invitation, you will be basically seeing each other's reel suggestions on Instagram. So you can view like what that person's feed is like, the reels feed is like, and that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.